Okay, here we are in Bangor, Maine. Outside Stephen King's house. Look, there's Stephen King's tree, Stephen King's fence, Stephen King's wooden carving, and Stephen King's neighbours. Look, there's Stephen King's gargoyle, Stephen King's front door. Hello. And Stephen King's garden. Look, bit of snow on there. And we are 23rd of February. Look at that. That little
Stephen King's leaf.
Stephen King's leaf, look. Yeah. There's where he gets his inspiration there, look, in his little tower. Looking over the city of Bangor. Thinking of his next book that he may write. And his next movie that the book may turn into. Pretty good, isn't it? And here, look, Stephen King's lock, which looks like its purpose is no longer security, but more like an ornamental feature. So here's the little sculpture thing. Let's have a look. Interesting, isn't it? It's a few ravens or crows in there. Some cats. What looks like a very chubby fox at the bottom. Yeah? There it is.